Hi, I'm Ben Beatty, Chief Health Officer at BGSU, here with our weekly COVID-19 update. Over this last reporting period, we've seen our numbers stay stable in comparison to the last two reporting periods at a lower level, and that's really great to see. And we want to be mindful of this as we look over the next couple weeks. We definitely have Halloween coming up in the next couple days, and this weekend is going to be critical for interactions and what that looks like for November then and as we approach Thanksgiving. We know we've seen in Wood County increases in cases after holidays where people get together, things like the 4th of July and Labor Day weekend. We saw spikes after those interactions. We want to make sure that we don't see that as we approach Thanksgiving. And so this weekend for Halloween, we really want you to stay safe. It's a great time to wear a mask, but also keep your social circle small. So we want you to have fun, but interact with individuals in a smaller group and enjoy that weekend, but make sure you're being mindful of the loved ones that you're going to want to see around Thanksgiving. If we do these things, we'll have a great holiday season. So thank you for all that you're doing to protect those that you love and to allow us to continue to have a great time here on campus as we finish out the fall semester.